Aye, that Dunkin' Donuts has went right downhill, isn't it?
Yep.
All units, please respond to the race course. I've got reports of officer in need of assistance. Let's go.
Let's go, yep.
10-4, this is the riot van. I'm going to respond to that officer in need of assistance.
Unit 32 is also responding.
Dispatch, I might be arriving a wee bit late since I'm in the riot van. I might be a bit slower than the patrol vehicle. 10-4. That's me just entered the highway towards the race course, over.
10-4.
Car 32, this is the riot van. Have you arrived at scene yet? Over.
Negative. We're about 30 minutes out.
10-4.
Unit 32 is now on scene.
10-4, riot van's about 30 minutes out. Riot van's now on scene, over.
10-4.
Are you on the racetrack, over?
Negative, I'm waiting for you.
10-4. What's your location, over? I'm down at the bottom car park.
We're at the top car park, far end.
10-4,
Pull
I'm
up.
on my way up.
Yep, 10-4.
Yeah, I've got a visual of you.
10-4.
You want to jump in the back of this and we'll just go on in this?
Negative, stop
Are you
here.
on? What's the situation?
We have around 5 suspects, heavily armed.
Alright, yeah, head in then.
Let's do it.
Right. As soon as I hear a shots fired, I'll run back down and get my carbon rifle. If the
Right, let's go.
shotguns don't do it.
I have eyes on a security guard.
To breach. Let's move.
I'll go to the left, you go to the right.
10-4. Turning right now.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Got vision suspect.
Suspect, visual.
Do you require assistance?
Go.
Got him.
Nice.
Once the security guards help me out. Oh, right, shots fired. Right, upfield's clear, I'm gonna head in. Right, I'll run behind you.
Yeah, suspect's down.
10-4. The scene clear.
That is yet unknown. Scan the area quickly and then. Yeah, I think area is clear.
I've got visual on a patrol vehicle. I'm gonna head over and see what's happening.
10-4.
Yeah, we've got friendlies down at the bottom.
10-4.
About 3 vehicles over. Right, I'm gonna go and talk to the scene sergeant. We've got FIB and that in here. Alright mate, right, we're gonna need you to keep your men back. This is a shots fired scene now. We've got officers being shot. If you'd like to just keep your men down here. Cheers. Right, I'm gonna go around and get a riot van, head around and I'll go around the track and see if there's anybody on it.
10-4. I've got to take this unit. My unit unfortunately got a little damage. I hope they don't mind.
That's cool.
Yeah, they don't mind.
Well, this is the first time I've been to a shots fired, so. No, a shots fired on a racetrack anyway.
Oh, scene's out code 4.
I've just headed on the racetrack out just in case there's somebody on it.
10-4.
Aye, so, Chief Commissioner, how are you? No, spoke to you in a while. Good. I'll see you after a minute.
Is SWAT available?
Currently not right at this second, but I'm still on the racetrack just to make my last round.
10-4. It's just we have reports of a armed robbery down at Maze Bank.
Actual Maze Bank or...
Negative. It is a Maze Bank. It's just not the massive Maze Bank. It's an armored car robbery attacking an armored vehicle.
10-4, what's the location of it?
It's across the station.
Across the station, right, 10-4, I'll respond to that in the riot van.
Down by Dale Pillow Pier.
I've just been radioed from the station's sergeant. There's been reports of 2 armed suspects or more out the front of the station.
10-4. That might be our guys.
10-4, made the way around then. You want to go to that depository van and I'll go and check out what's happening at the station.
10-4.
Aye, Staff Sergeant says there's definitely armed suspects at front of the station.
Shots fired, shots fired. Armed suspects have opened fired.
10-4, what location is it?
Hold on, suspects down
10-4, where is it?
at the station. Suspect is at the station, he's dead.
10-4, is there anybody else at the station or what?
I found there's a guy across the road, also armed.
10-4, I'll be 20 minutes out.
Sir, stay on the ground. Suspect is dead also.
10-4, I'll meet you at the Union Depository van then.
10-4, I'm going to continue over there. Officers from the station will take over the scene here. It looks like those are our 2 suspects on the armored car robbery.
10-4, stay back from the scene till riot van arrives with it.
There's still suspect, pulling back. Suspect's running towards me. Permission to fire.
All units, I've got a suspect on the highway armed. He's shooting my van over. I'm going to take this guy out.
10-4.
Suspect on highway is out. I think we need to get on to the Chief Commissioner about this. This looks like possible terrorist attacks occurring around LS now.
10-4. All suspects from the armored car robbery are down. I'm with the 2 armored car guys now.
10-4, wait until riot vans arrive at scene and you can head away from the scene, over.
10-4.
I'm just going by the station ETA about 2 minutes.
These guys look like they're quite scared. They're unarmed.
10-4, I'll be 2 seconds, I'll just go and block off this road down here, so.
10-4. The 2 armored car guards were unarmed at the time of the robbery, so they had nothing to, they couldn't take fire. There was a security guard here, but he neither had any eyes on the suspect. The robbery occurred when the security guard was inside.
10-4.
Right, I'll head back to the station. You can take over if you've seen.
10-4.
You may have to get the coroner over to take the dead bodies away.
I've got vision on that case of cash.
10-4. Oh, someone's took my door
Right,
off.
the scene's clear. You
10-4.
can move along, sir. Right, I've got a security guard here just behind all the stuff happening. I'll just see what's. I'll question him in the station later. Right, I'm going to drive this group 6 van back to the station for evidence.